Okay, I guess I'm streaming now. So let's send the link to people. Hmm. How does this even work? Copy video URL. I think this should work. Um, let's see. Ooh. Okay, so I've created some repositories which are gonna host my new editor, and here I need to start setting them up with files. We're gonna have 3 repositories because I want to keep things a little bit modular and I have some ideas. The blueprints repository is basically going to be a way to track things that can be different entities that are going to be exported to scenes and imported back into the level. Auto tile map is going to be great for populating tile maps with based on auto tiling rules. So you can specify, like, if you want automatically to add some components or to select sprites for specific tiles based on based on their neighbors. And the editor is going to be the actual thing that lets people interact with all of this. So I need to set up my repositories. I guess this is very boring, but we gotta do this. Um, I'm gonna write some README. Light mode terminal. Um, okay. Okay. Are people really bothered by the light mode terminal? I can make it black. If people really want me to, I'll make it black. I like light mode. I like everything being white and that sounded kind of wrong. I like everything being bright in my eyes. Okay, anyway, back on topic. Um, so the idea is that um, mm, um, hmm, okay, well, I guess later I can change my terminal colors for streams. But anyway, so we Mm, mm, okay, for now this will suffice as the readme. The readme, yeah, it's for now. We'll just say what the goals are. I've already thought quite a bit about the design of this project, of this level editor, how everything's gonna work, and I've discussed it with the person who is sponsoring the initial work on this to get this started. They want to use it for their game, their Metroidvania game that's is loosely inspired by things like Hollow Knight and so on. And we need powerful level creation tools in Bevy to be able to do that kind of thing. And I think I can do it. So let's go. Um, I should probably send the link to this stream to the person who is sponsoring my work. They probably deserve to watch it. Anyway, cargo init. I'm going to take some time to set up all of the multiple crates and everything that's and link it all together. It's going to be a bit boring, but we gotta do this tedious stuff. Yes, I actually write GitHub URLs manually. I am definitely going to be basing this on Rootless. I guess if this project really takes off, this might turn this might elevate my random loose crates like loopless into being a kind of ecosystem of things built on top of Bevy, which would be kind of fun. It will be interesting to see what happens. And yes, no copy pasta. We need to type everything manually. So, and I need what's the version of scene tools that I released? Is it though? Is it pretty much an ecosystem? I have like 2 crates or 3 crates that are published. Loopless, I guess. Loopless is pretty integral to Bevy. A lot of people nowadays rely on loopless, I guess. I need this version 02, and I am going to patch things. Actually, screw it. I'm going to comment this out and for now use path dependencies. What are even the best practices for this kind of stuff? I'm so indecisive right now. I don't know what I'm doing. I need people to be able to clone this repo and for them to be able to build it, but I also need to be able to conveniently work locally. I guess patch and this syntax for git. No, no, I don't even know how to use my own editor. There we go. Something like this. I don't even know anymore. Anyway, let's hope this compiles. So, I need to init the other crate too. Do you compile? No, you don't. Yeah, I guess I need to push this. Why is everything so frustrating with developer tooling? Why are developer tools and Git and Cargo and everything so frustrating always? Well, yes, I am going for a minimal viable product. I am going to start by creating this auto tile map functionality. So at the very start, I'm just going to make an example that renders some sort of tile map. That's one of the first things we're going to do now, after I'm done setting up all the projects, to be able to paint some tiles and then gradually work on the auto tiling algorithm. That's the first thing that we want to get done. The minimal viable product is something that lets you click on tiles to populate them with stuff, and apply the rules. It, so yeah, wait, this probably also needs a light. Hmm, I'll copy it from loopless. Something that I've been thinking a lot is how, with so many developer tools like Git and build systems and all kinds of projects and everything, they kind of assume that you're going to have everything already set up. And if you already have everything set up for your project, and then they kind of work. But setting up everything is always such a pain. I'm not even working on the project that I'm supposed to be working on because I'm doing boilerplate. I'm setting up things because Cargo doesn't want to compile unless it can actually clone the repo. Yeah, okay. I guess it wants to compile now, or it doesn't. What? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Why? Maybe I need to update Rust or something. Oh yeah, the other programming languages, definitely. I before using Rust, I was using C mostly, and in C you have nothing. You have to write your own make files, build systems, whatever. And Rust is like, if I can summarize the whole attitude of the Rust community, which I really love, like it's amazing, it's so good, is that people are really trying to learn all the lessons they can possibly learn from every other programming language and its community, and um, try to make something that's actually like better than all the other technologies we've got. Rust people are really passionate about making things better when they can. But I guess something's wrong with my toolchain. Oh, okay, this makes sense. This makes sense. I have a shared cargo target directory, and it's probably full of build artifacts from previous projects, which I need to clean. Yeah, let's try them. So, Niall, I don't know if you're still here, but if you are, Would you recommend me to set up a separate project for testing and trying to build some sort of example test case, or just use Rust examples? Make an examples folder and try to create an example and use that for developing my library. But okay, we're compiling at least. I guess I'm gonna set up examples. License first. Must not forget this or DJ McNabb will complain. DJ, that guy in Bevy community, he always complains about licenses. He points out license things to everybody. I guess he has a point. We live in a world where copyright laws exist, unfortunately. We gotta do this. Cool. So actually, yeah, I'm making a tile map editor and I have not even added Bevy CS tile map to my dependencies. How selfish of me to only think of my own crates. I added all of my crates to my dependencies, and I even forgot Bevy itself. I even forgot Bevy itself. And I forgot the ECS, the tile map library that I'm supposed to be working with. We have nice tools for this. Here we go. Bevy CS tile map 09. Wow, all the version numbers converge to 09. Bevy it's a 09, tile map is a 09, looplet is a 09. Amazing. Cool. I need to figure out how to remember how Bevy CS tile map worked and make a simple example with it. Um, oh, I need to add it to dev dependencies too. No, I don't. Good. The standard Bevy boilerplate that I've written a million times and I know by memory. That's probably what it's called. Um, Tile map plugin, I'm guessing. Actually, better idea. Why do I instinctively type git? I don't even want git, I want cargo doc. I want to build docs. There's this really weird thing with muscle memory. Like, I open my terminal, I change into a directory, and I instinctively type git without even thinking. Thank you, five named person, for being my only audience right now. It's very wholesome of you. Oh, yeah, okay, nice. I've been streaming for how long now? 20 minutes? And I'm already feeling so much better at this multitasking thing. It no longer feels as awkward to kind of talk and speak and do things on the computer at the same time. So I guess I'm getting the hang of it. Maybe. It's still kind of frying my brain to think about everything at once, but such is life. Yeah, style map plugin. Now I need to look at their examples. Um, mm-hmm. I want the basic example. Does PVC style map support style maps without any assets? Do I need to make some sprite sheets PNG texture now just for testing? I kind of want to do a flat color. I will try. Oh wait, this is a lot more advanced than I remember it. Baby style map has evolved while I wasn't paying attention. Um, no, what am I doing? Bundle. Style map texture. Yes, I see. Okay, well, I don't have any assets right now unless I copy my sprite sheet from my ors or something. I don't even know what I'm doing. I need some sort of sprite sheet for testing this. I guess we can make one quickly. Um, what do you mean baby started growing on its own? Okay, time for me to draw some awful pixel art or something. How do I make a grid? I want to show a grid. I want I actually don't know how this works. How do grids in GIMP work? Um, configure grids. Configure grid. There we go. Something I can actually see. Let's make it white. And there we go. Something like that. And now I can improvise a bunch of sprites, I guess. Something like, let's make this brush small. And here I can do some things like maybe this one will be square and this one will be a triangle. Oh no, I went out of the box. And this one can be, and this one can be a circle, and this one can be some blob. This one can be some lines. And this one can be an S. And this one can be some dots. This one can be 3 dots. I'm having surprisingly much fun doing this. It's weird. Why am I having so much fun drawing squiggles into grids lines? You call this art? Okay, it's art, I guess. Um, okay. Okay, as an Easter egg, we're going to open as layers and we're gonna add um this and we're gonna make it small. Good thinking, Mel. Good thinking. I just need to rescale it somehow. How does this even work? Okay, layer is going to become 16 by 16. Go. And this little thing is gonna come here. There we go. Yay. Now we can flatten image and can export as um assets. Now, because I am obsessive about these things, if I'm gonna commit this into Git, I need to optimize the PNG file so it can be small. Yes, compress it. And this other optimizer, yes, brute force compress it, make it small. And my PNG file, instead of being 4 kilobytes, here it turned into 3 kilobytes. And this brute force compression thing is gonna crush it even more. In the meantime, I'm gonna stop wasting time and um, try to actually set up the town up. Oh yeah, we made it less than 3 kilobytes. Amazing. And you know, it actually frustrates me unreasonably much um, when I see that PNG files are not optimized. Like I download an Android SDK, and I will just leave, um, just like do a find that goes through all of the PNG files and optimizes them overnight, and the next day I will see that all of them got shrunk by like 20%. And I'm like, Google, didn't you develop half of these optimizers? Why are you not optimizing the PNGs in the Android SDK? Call me obsessive, but I like optimized PNGs. It's very satisfying to see the file sizes shrink. Uh-huh. Why am I so insistent on typing everything instead of copy pasting? What kind of a masochist am I? Why am I doing this to myself? I can just copy paste things. I can just copy paste things. People have given me example codes to copy paste, but no, I started typing everything manually again because I don't even know. Oh wow, my tile size is actually the same as the one in the example. I'm not even gonna have to change the numbers. Because we need to have reasonable names for our variables. And we need to spawn entities because this is Bevy ECS map. And we need to okay. I remember how all this works. I did it before for Mine Wars. I literally made my game using this, and I did far more advanced things with this library than I'm doing here. That was ages ago. Oh wait, this is what they want. They actually want me to do it like they said. Okay, let's try this out. Let's try it and see it working. Oh, of course, I never compiled this before, I just did cargo check. That makes sense. To the people in the audience, am I being at least somewhat entertaining or am I boring you to death? Tell me honestly. Yay, we have a tile map. Those squares that I drew in GIMP actually look kind of cool when filled into a tile map. This actually looks kind of cool. Okay, you know what? Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. I will randomize everything. I need to generate um, I need to generate some random numbers because I want to make this just for fun, because if I run this, and I was just shocked to see how my little scribbles look really cool in the tile map, and I want to randomize the tiles just for my own satisfaction. Um, wait, first I need yes, always add RNG. See, you get it. RNG is good. RNG is fun. Um, RNG gen range, and need to go from 0 to 4, and then I will let's try this. Okay, see you. This looks kind of like some matrix stuff. This is cool. It's giving me creative ideas. Okay, so let's bring in some new audience. I should advertise my stream. Okay, so I've made this thing that kind of looks like some matrix thing. It's giving me a lot of creative ideas for future games. But for now, I want to implement some painting of tiles. So instead of filling out the whole grid with randomness, let's use some specific tiles. I'll just pick some value. Well, I guess this thing here kind of looks like a wall. We can use that as a wall. And that is 16, 17, 18. File number 18. And so if we start with this, and now we need to implement some painting. I want to be able to use the mouse to paint tiles onto the tile map. So for this, actually no, I need cursor position. Yeah, I'm gonna get the position of the mouse cursor from the window, and we need to convert that into tile map coordinates. Does Bevy CS tile map have helpers for this? Helpers. Selection. We don't have anything here. Projection. We don't have anything here. Square grid. Geometry. Hmm. Hmm. So I need to figure out what tile I am hovering over. And to do that, I need to... I'm supposed to know how to do all these things. Hmm. Is that how this new syntax works? I guess. I've actually never used this new Rust syntax before. I wonder. Position of tiles. Mm. I am shockingly bad at this when I'm streaming. Like, thinking about the fact that I'm on stream right now and also trying to think about what I'm trying to code is actually surprisingly difficult. I don't know if my brain can handle it. I'm gonna try a little more. I am trying to convert cursor coordinates to tile map coordinates. This is not something that should be hard. It's something I've done before many times. And my brain is just freezing. Okay, let's do it step by step. First, print the cursor position. Now I need to apply an offset. I should have probably done some initial setup and gotten some proof of concept thingy working before doing a live stream, because this is probably boring as hell for everybody to watch. Hmm. Yeah, I need this to be in center of the window. Okay, so today this is a very boring stream, but need to get started. Hmm. I'm actually getting really tired. I think I'm gonna stop the stream for now. I'm getting really tired. I can't do this. Bye.